Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable and disable Talkback on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open Settings and tap on Accessibility and Convenience. From here, tap on Accessibility, then tap on Vision. From here, you will find the option of Talkback. Just tap on it. Now to enable Talkback, just enable the toggle for Talkback. Now from here, just tap on Finish.
Finish tutorial.
Then double tap to confirm.
Finished reviewing.
Now just select Finish, then double tap to enter. Now from here, just select Allow. Now to navigate the screen, just tap once on an icon to select the icon and double tap to confirm. For an example, if you want to go to your home screen, first of all, just tap on the home button, then double tap to enter. Now to swipe on the screen, just swipe using 2 fingers.
Contacts.
Now to turn off Talkback, just press and hold the volume up button and the volume down button at the same time for 3 seconds.
Talkback off.
Now from here, just select Don't Turn On. Now, if this option did not turn off Talkback, just go back to Settings. You can turn off Talkback by disabling the Talkback toggle over here. Just like that. And this is how you can enable and disable Talkback on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.